there are a total of 474 polling stations in District Poonch across 3 assembly segments, Mender, Haveli and Surankot. Now, out of these 474 polling stations, we have some 54 stations which are under long arm shelling range, that is 0 to 5 kilometer from the actual LC. और उसके तहत भी over dozen or 2 dozen odd are in the short arm range, which is 0 to 1 kilometer, and around 12 which are across the fence. अब हमने इन पोलिंग स्टेशंस के लिए विच आर एटलीस्ट अप टिल 0 to 5 किलोमीटर रेंज एक कंटिजेंसी प्लान प्रिपेयर किया है, विच इज अ स्टैंडर्ड प्रैक्टिस इन एवरी जनरल इलेक्शंस इन दोज डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स विच आर लोकेटेड ऑन द बॉर्डर इन LOC and where there is a possibility of shelling exchange. What is the scenario when in case of while the voting is under process and there is a ceasefire violation? So the SOP requires us कि हम हमारे जो भी पोलिंग स्टेशंस हैं उस रेंज में उनके जितने भी बंकर्स हैं लोकेशन जो क्लोज बाय हैं वो टैग किए जाएं and so that the polling staff, the security personnel or the voters who are gathered at the polling station, they all can take refuge in case of incessant shelling. And separately in case of movement, वो BP bunkers जो movable bunkers हैं उनका भी provision रखा गया है. और in case of incessant shelling जो बिल्कुल suspend नहीं हो पा रही है, तो एक alternative polling station भी हमने designate किया हुआ है for every affected polling station which is located in a non-shelling range. So all this plan has been formulated and इसकी preparation हुई है.
These bunkers you are using during election in case of cross-border firing only to protect the human security, human life.
It's only to take shelter, immediate shelter. Just to clarify, polling cannot happen inside the bunker. The bunker cannot meet the norms of a polling station which are set by the ECI. Hence, they are only there for taking refuge in case of excessive shelling, which is a extreme case scenario.